Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing amazing and having a wonderful day. If you love easy DIY projects, cozy Christmas decorations, and beautiful handmade decor, then you are in the perfect place. Today I am sharing a beautiful Christmas retro bottle craft idea that is simple, affordable, and perfect for adding a warm, festive touch to your home. So grab your craft supplies, relax, and let's create something beautiful together. Today's project is all about turning an ordinary glass bottle into stunning Christmas decoration using jute rope and a few simple decorative items. First step is cleaning the bottle well. The surface is smooth and ready for decorating. A clean bottle helps the rope stick perfectly and give the final craft a neat finish. Next, I wrap the bottle with jute rope. I apply hot glue little by little while wrapping the rope tightly around the bottle. Working slowly gives the best result and keeps everything look clean. One of the best things about jute rope is its natural texture. It instantly gives every project a cozy, rustic and vintage Christmas feel. This is why jute rope crafts are so popular during the holiday season. Once the bottle is fully wrapped, it's time for the fun part, decorating. You can add artificial pine branches, red berries, tiny pine cones, cinnamon sticks, small Christmas ornaments, ribbons, bows, lace, wooden stars, or little bells. Every decoration gives us bottle its own unique personality. You don't need expensive materials to make something beautiful. Many decoration can be reused from previous Christmas decoration. Make this project budget friendly. If you enjoy crafting with your family or children, this project is a wonderful activity to do together. Handmade decorations always make Christmas feel extra special because they are created with love. You can display this bottle on your dining table, fireplace, mantel, coffee table, bookshelf, bedroom shelf, or even your office desk. It also makes a truthful handmade Christmas gift for family, friends, and teachers and neighbors. To make your bottle glow beautifully at night, place a small battery operated fairy light inside. The warm lights create a magical Christmas atmosphere that everyone will love. Another great idea is to make a set of 2 or 3 bottles in different sizes, decoration them with matching colors, create a beautiful Christmas centerpiece for your home. Remember, crafting is not about being perfect. Every handmade project is unique, and that's what makes it special. Don't worry if your bottle looks a little different. Your creativity what make your craft bottle. If you are trying this project at home, I love to know how it turned out. Share your ideas in the comments because your creativity might inspire someone else in your crafting family. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. Your support, kind comments, and encouraging words truly motivate me to keep creating more DIY craft ideas for you. To my amazing viewers, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for being part of this wonderful crafting family. Every like, comment, and view means so much to me. You are the reason my channel continue to grow. If you leave a comment below, I may your special shout out in my upcoming video. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future DIY Christmas decoration, home decor ideas and easy craft tutorials. Sharing this video with your friends and family really helps the channel grow and allow me to create even more beautiful craft ideas with you. Thank you so much for watching until end. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Stay creative, stay inspired,